Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Hack Tech. Today our topic is leaked photos of Sony a7C show full frame camera with corner EVF. Before tell you more information, kindly request you subscribe our YouTube channel Hack Tech. Now let's start the topic. The new concept Sony a7C on Monday evening. Product shots have officially leaked. The photos confirm everything we've heard so far about a compact full-frame camera with a corner-mounted EVF and new kit lens. The first leaked photo, as far as we could tell, popped up on Sony Alpha Rumors last night, showing someone holding the camera with black tape placed over the logo. That was followed early this morning by confirmation from Nokishita, who published what looked to be official-looking sample shots of the Sony a7C and pretty much confirmed every leak that we've published so far. According to Nokishita, the camera will have a 24MP image sensor and ISO range of 151,200 IBs, 10 FPS max shooting speed, a flip-out LCD and a 28 to 60mm f/4.5.6 kit lens. It also, based on the images, has a corner-mounted EVF that makes it look sort of like a full-frame version of the Sony a6600. Thanks for watching.